Can a keyboard and mouse combo really bring back the golden age of typing while still crushing it in modern games? This NEWNAN wired set claims to do just that, and honestly, I was intrigued. It's not every day you see a mechanical keyboard with such a distinct retro, typewriter-inspired look. Those round keycaps are definitely a statement piece, and I have to admit, they give off a really cool, nostalgic vibe. It's a refreshing change from the usual angular designs. But aesthetics are only half the story, right? Underneath that retro charm, this is a full 104-key mechanical keyboard. It features blue switches, which means you get that satisfyingly tactile bump and audible click with every keystroke. For typing, it's a joy. It feels responsive and durable, and the medium resistance is just right for me. Gamers will appreciate the anti-ghosting and N-key rollover. This means you can mash as many keys as you need simultaneously, and the keyboard will register every single one. I tried out a few fast-paced games, and the response was impressively quick and accurate. No missed inputs, which is crucial when you're in the heat of battle. The keyboard also boasts a preset 9-mode LED backlight. The double-shot injection molded keycaps ensure the legends are clear, and the backlight shines through beautifully, adding a nice visual flair without being overly distracting. It's a subtle touch that really enhances the overall look, especially in lower light. Now, let's talk about the mouse. It's designed to be ergonomic, and it does fit comfortably in the hand. It's a simple plug-and-play setup, just like the keyboard, so no fiddling with extra software. It's a straightforward, functional gaming mouse that complements the keyboard well. Overall, this NEWNAN combo is a surprisingly capable package. It manages to blend that unique retro aesthetic with solid mechanical performance. If you're looking for a keyboard that stands out from the crowd and still delivers on responsiveness for both typing and gaming, this is definitely worth considering. It's a fun, functional, and eye-catching setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.